Namaste, it's me Lokendra Sound, mathematics teacher. First, I want to welcome you. Welcome, children. And today I have brought here the practice questions of first two exercises of algebra, where we have already learned, I have already told you, I have already taught you how to factorize by taking common and how to factorize by grouping the terms and how to factorize by using formula a square minus b square. Okay, and its related extra questions are going to be revised here. Okay, and please listen carefully and watch carefully, and it will help you very much. Okay, and you will not have any difficulties related problems. Okay, of these topics. Let's start with the first slide. Okay, see here. Now let's move to the first slide. In this page, in this slide, you can see here the question is factorize. Okay, this is factorize, and here this is 2a plus 4, and b number is 5x squared plus 5x minus 15. C number is a into b minus 3 minus 2 into 3 minus b, and its solution is here. Look here. In this equation, first number, write solution, then write question again. And here is 2a, here is 4, and we know that in 4 there is 2 into 2, and we have 2 as common factor in these two terms. That's why 2 should be taken as common. And if you take 2 common here, then here is remaining a, and here is remaining plus 2, and keep in brackets. Okay, this is the solution of this type of question. And here 5x squared plus 5x minus 15, write solution and check whether it is common or not. Okay, and if you see here, and here is 5 into x into x, and here is plus 5 into x, and here is minus 3 into 5, that's 15 means 3 into 5, and among these all three terms we find 5 as the same common factor. Okay, that's why we take 5 as a common, and here is remaining x squared, and here is remaining plus x, and here is remaining minus 3. Okay, and write here solution. Here also write question again, a into b minus 3 minus 2 into 3 minus b. As I have given here clarification note. Okay, look, 3 minus b can be written as equals to, that is minus b you can write front, and this sign of 3 is plus 3, that's right, plus 3 back. And if you take minus common here, minus outside, then what is remaining inside the bracket? Here is remaining b minus 3, because in this plus there are 2 minus, and 1 minus gone common here outside, and 1 minus left, that is shown here. Okay, and here because here is b minus 3, here also we have to make b minus 3. I just told 3 minus b can be written as b minus 3. For that we have provided plus 2. Okay, and here we have provided plus 2, and because there is minus, that's why now b minus 3, what will be here? B minus 3 as a common, and what is left here? A, and here is left plus 2, right in and the bracket a plus 2. Okay, these are the two factors. Okay, of this question. Okay, this question is divided into two factors. I hope you understood. Now let's move to the next slide. And here okay, see here, and in this question write a question again, x square y plus 2xy minus 3x minus 6, and here are 4 terms. And in this question, look, a into a square b plus a plus 1, these are kept in bracket, into b. This b also multiplies inside 1, this all 3 terms, and this a also will multiply inside 3 terms. Okay, plus 1 backside. And look at how this type of question is factorized and resolved into factors. Look at, in this two term there is xy common, right? Xy common outside. Okay, this I'm pointing on this yellow color one. And if you take xy common here, then x is left, x remains right here. And if you take xy, then what is remaining? Plus 2 is remaining here. And what is common in these two? Minus 3x and minus 6. Minus 3 common. And if you take minus 3 common, here is remaining x and plus 2. Because 3 2 is 6. In 6, if 3 is taken common, then 2 is remaining because 3 2 is 6. And now we can check whether our factorization is correct or not. X plus 2 is same. That's why our factorization is correct. Then x plus 2 should be taken common. And what is remaining now? Xy remaining here. Minus 3 here also minus 3. Okay. Like this, we will factorize. Okay, by grouping the terms. Okay. And how to group it? How to do the grouping? We have to make the group of such terms. After taking those terms, the remaining in the bracket must be same. Okay, as here remaining x plus 2, x plus 2. But now in question number B, look here. This is a into a square b plus a plus 1 into b plus 1. And as I told you before, this a and b will multiply with this 3 terms. That's why a b multiply with a square b, a cube b square. And now a multiply a with b. Okay, a b multiply with a square b, and plus ab multiply with 1 ab, and this 1 is outside 1 only. Now see here, this is okay. These are the 4 terms. Now let's check whether there's common or not. A square b common, b a cube, where is b square? That's why a 1a and 1b is left. That's ab left, and here is left 1 because all the terms of this a square b gone. Then its coefficient is 1. 1 is remaining here. And here is also common as 1. Okay, 1 is a common here. 1 common take plus 1. And here is AB left because 1 1s are 1. That's why 1 is still remaining here. Because this 1 we can write 1 into 1 and 1 remains here. Now check this AB plus 1. AB plus 1 is same now. Now write here AB plus 1. And what is remaining here? A square B. Write A square B here. And here is remaining plus 1. Write here plus 1. Okay. Like this we resolve this okay terms into 2 factor. One factor came a b plus 1, and the factors came a square b plus 1. Like this we solve. Okay. Now we became clear about it. Now see in this next slide. Okay. These are the questions related to the formula a square minus b square. Okay. Now see here, this is a square where I'm pointing. This is 16. Okay. Then we can write a square minus 16 is a square only, but 16 is we can write 4 square. Then it is a square minus b square. That means a plus 4, a minus 4, because a is a only, but in place of b there is 4. A plus b, a minus b formula we have used. In b number, look, 4a square minus 9x square. Here also 4a square minus 9x square, right? And write this in bracket, then 2a whole square minus 3x whole square. A square minus b square. Okay. And here is 2a plus 3x, and here is 2a minus 3x. Okay. Like this we resolve this. Okay, into 2 factors. That one is 2a plus 3x and this 2a minus 3x. Similarly here in C number, look, p square q square minus 64. Write solution and write a p square q square minus 64, and write this pq in bracket and whole square because both of them has a square. That's why we can write pq then whole square. 64 is 80 square. Then we can write a square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. That's a means pq plus b means 8, and pq minus 8. Okay. Similarly here also look, 121 x square minus 1 by y square. Write this question again. Right, 121 is the square of 11. That's 11x whole square right here, minus 1 by y whole square. Then this is in place of a square minus b square. A square minus b square means now a plus b, a minus b. Okay, a plus b, a minus b, and we have resolved into factors like this. Okay, these 2 factors. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, now here look here. Okay, there is common before factorization. Okay, we have to take common if there is common. This is the rule. And that's why we have taken this 3x square minus 47 3 common, that take 3 common, then x square is remaining, and 3 4 the 12 and 3 9, 49 3, that will be 147, right? 49 here. Now 3 right outside only, and we can convert this into a square minus b square, then x square minus 7 square right here. Then a square minus b square means now we can write a plus b, a minus b, that a means x, b means 7, that's why x plus 7, x minus 7. Similar question is here also, 3x cube minus 3x. Okay, write the question again. And what is common here? First we will take common. 3x is common. X square minus 1 is left. Now 3x common, then there is left 1. And now 3x right outside, then we can write x square here, but in place of 1, we can write 1 square. And it will be a square minus b square. Write 3x same. A square minus b square wrote now. A plus b, a minus b. Right? X plus 1, x minus 1. Because a is x, b is 1. Okay, like this we solve. Okay, into factors. We solve into factors. Now let's move to the next slide. This is to continue on. Okay, here also, first of all, there is common, then we have to take common here. See, here xy cube and x cube y here. Write a question again, and xy is common, then here is left y square, because there is y cube, that's y square is left, one common one, that's why. And here is also xy common, then x square left. Y square minus x square means a means y, b means x here. Xy right same. A plus b means y plus x, then here is y minus x. Similarly here also, 5 by x square and 20 by y square, we know there is 5 common, because 5 causes 20. In 20 there is 5 also, 4 also, and 5 common taking, then what is left here? 1 by x whole square, you can write, and 5 4 then 4 can be converted into 2 square. Okay, that's why 2 square means 4 here. Okay, 2y whole square. This is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means that a plus b, a minus b. Okay, like this we factorize. A plus b, a minus b, but in plus a 1 by x, in plus b 2 by y. Okay, 1 by x plus 2 by y, 1 by x minus 2 by y. Like this we resolve into factors by using a square minus b square formula. Now let's move to the next slide. And here also, look here. Here also we have to take, first of all, common. If there is common, take common. Okay, first of all, in these two terms, 3xy is common. Okay, 3xy taken common. Then what is remaining here? 2x minus 3y is left. Okay. Now here one, 4mx square minus 6mx plus 2m square x. There is 2mx common. Then write 2x, 2 to the 4, that 2 left. 2 3 is 6, then 3 left here. Plus, and here is 2mx common. 1m is left, because m into m will be m square, because m square there is 2m, m into m, that's why m is common, then 1 remaining here. Similarly here also, a square minus 2a into x minus y minus 2xy. Okay, now first of all remove this bracket, a square minus 2ax. Okay, this multiply here 2x minus a into minus y plus ay, and it is minus 2xy, right? Minus 2xy. Let's take common in this 2. A common, then here is a square, a left, minus 2x left here, and plus right here common, here is y common, y right here, and here is remaining a, here is remaining 2x right in bracket. Okay, and it is correct or not, we can find out. Here is a minus 2x, here is also a minus 2x, right? A minus 2x common, right? Here is a left, here is plus y left, right? In another bracket, a plus y. Like this we resolve into factors. And here one, look here, I told here 4mx1 already common. Okay, this one, look, 4mx square plus 6mx plus 2m square x is already done. Okay, common and remaining put in bracket. Here g number, look, x, okay, into a square minus b square, a, this plus a into b square minus x square. These two terms inside the bracket and these two terms inside the bracket where I'm pointing, these are not same. If they are not same, we have to remove the bracket and write the terms. Okay, like this, x into a square, x a square, x into minus b square, minus xb square, plus a into b square, plus ab square, and plus a into minus x square, minus ax square. Okay, now if you take common, then again question will come. That's why we have to shuffle it. Shuffle means we have to change the place. Okay, let's put this second term in last term. Okay, last place now. Second term should be exchange with this. Okay, put the second term in place of last one. Okay, now other right, same, this x minus xb square is kept last, and now take common x a square x plus ab square minus x square minus xb square. In this two term there is a common. If you take a common, then a square there is one, that means x is left, plus there is a gone common, then b square left. Here is minus common. If you take minus common, then here is left plus. Okay, because plus into minus minus. This is the very important thing. If minus goes common, then plus left. And in this two, x is common. If you take x common, what is left then? X is left plus plus, and here is now b square remaining. Now we can check inside this bracket there is x plus xa plus b square, and inside this bracket also xa plus b square. That's why our grouping is correct. Our common taking also process is also correct. That's why we can take a xa plus b square, xa plus b square is common, right? Common here, and remaining put in another bracket, a minus x in another bracket. Like this we have to write. Okay, this factorization. Now let's move to the next slide. And here I have given important formulas, okay, that we are going to use in upcoming next exercise. Okay, that's why this formula will be practiced by the students. You will note down this all the formula. You have to read it. Okay, you have to read this all formula and remember. Okay, that will be the my work. Okay, you have to note this all formula. Okay, and please read and try to remember. Once read this, and whether you remember or not, write it. Okay, and its derivation also will be taught, and its use also will be taught in upcoming next exercises. First one is here you can see. Okay, here a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square plus b square has two formula. One is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and this a minus b whole square plus 2ab, and a plus b whole cube formula equals a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and a plus b whole cube, this that is an a minus b whole cube. Just one change this sign only. The second term and last term is minus, now this is same, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, and a cube plus b cube has also two formula. This formula will be used to find the value, and this formula will be used to factorize, okay, into factors. Okay, but these both are the formula of same, a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, and a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And here a cube minus b cube means a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b, and here will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This formula will be used into factorization, and this formula will be used to find the values. Okay, and I have told just now, learn this above formula, okay, and memorize them. Okay, and today this was only, as I tell you, I will still practice makes students perfect. Okay, have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to practice. Thank you very much once again.